Diecast Emporium Vans. Today we'll be taking a look at the new 2018 Diecast Masters cat models. The first is a Cat 770 off-highway dump truck, which looks very similar to the Norscot 772. Previously a Tonkin Replicas model, this is the Cat 950 GC wheel loader. You usually see these in emerging countries. Here are the eagerly anticipated new generation of Caterpillar excavators. This is the 320. You will notice the distinctly new body style, specifically the counterweight. Here is the 320 GC version, and there's a very good look at the new body. Followed by the Cat 323 excavator. Bear in mind these are pictures of the real machines, as the model prototypes have not yet been done. This, however, is a picture of the model, and it's the highly anticipated Cat 349F excavator. Next up, in the first of the new track-type tractor bulldozers, this is the D7E in a pipeline configuration. Note the special blade and the winch at the rear. Here's a redesigned Cat D8T, and all of these bulldozers have the new visibility perforations cut through on top of the blades, which definitely adds to the realism. Next is a Cat D11T carry dozer, and his brother, the standard Caterpillar D11T track-type tractor with the standard blade on it. Love the safety fences and the ladders on these models, they look very good. The first of the models to be released this year, hopefully by the end of March, is the Cat 906M compact wheel loader. Next is the 963K track loader, and this will be a different design than the previous 963. The first of the new Evolution series takes us to the history of the track loader, from the first one to the most current one. And the second part of the Evolution series is the history of the wheel loader. Here you can see the first 966 next to the current 966 wheel loaders. Very, very cool. The first of the new motor graders shows us the 140M3. This one has the GPS pods up on top of the blade. Next to him will be his older brother, the 14M3 motor grader. That looks to be an excellent model. Again, available sometime at the end of March. And finally, here's a prototype picture of the Cat 24M motor grader, Cat's largest grader, and you'll find these used in quarries primarily. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below which models you will be purchasing, and perhaps which models you want to see in the future.